Energy-saving tips for your HVAC system in Newark this fall. As fall settles in Newark, many homeowners start thinking about how to stay comfortable without breaking the bank. Heating and cooling systems can account for a large portion of your energy costs, so using your HVAC efficiently is key to saving money while maintaining comfort. Aire Serv of Newark shares simple yet effective energy-saving tips to help you get the most from your HVAC system this fall. 1. Schedule regular maintenance. A well-maintained HVAC system runs more efficiently. Professional tune-ups include cleaning, inspections, and adjustments that help your system work smarter, not harder, reducing energy waste. 2. Change your air filters frequently. Dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing your HVAC system to consume more energy. Replace or clean filters every 30 to 60 days during heavy use seasons. 3. Use a programmable thermostat. Set your thermostat to adjust temperatures automatically based on your schedule. Lower the heat when you are away or sleeping to save energy without sacrificing comfort. 4. Seal air leaks in your home. Check for drafts around windows, doors, and ductwork. Sealing leaks with weather stripping or caulk prevents warm or cool air from escaping, reducing the workload on your HVAC system. 5. Keep vents and registers clear. Blocked vents reduce airflow and cause your system to work harder. Keep furniture, curtains, and rugs away from vents to maintain proper circulation. 6. Consider upgrading to a high-efficiency system. If your HVAC system is older, upgrading to an Energy Star certified model can significantly reduce your energy consumption and utility bills. 7. Use ceiling fans to supplement heating. Running ceiling fans in reverse helps distribute warm air trapped near the ceiling back down to living spaces, improving comfort and reducing heating needs. 8. Utilize zoned heating and cooling. If your home has zones or multiple thermostats, heat or cool only the areas you use most to save energy. Why choose Aire Serv of Newark? Our local HVAC experts understand Newark's climate and energy challenges. We provide honest advice and professional services to help you save energy while staying comfortable. Implementing these tips can lower your energy bills and extend the life of your HVAC system. Contact Aire Serv of Newark today to schedule your maintenance or discuss energy-efficient upgrades.